Adrian G. A. Gan.
Bali. 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 Sige, sige, sige. Isa-isa.
Another with honor, special award, writing award, honest kid award, great giver award goes to Keith Matthew G. Tapale. Lastly, with honors, writing award, special award, Curtis Kid Award, and Great Giver Award goes to Andrea Kim Tapale.
Ama yang kalo. Tubang diri na. Atubang diri na.